Hello and welcome to Math Excel Educator. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to solve linear inequalities algebraically. But before I begin, I want to read the note at the bottom of the page, which is, if you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, then you must reverse the direction of the inequality. Keeping that note in mind, let us begin with the first question. 13x less than 39. So 13x divide by 13 less than 39 divide by 13. That gives me x less than 3. In our next question, we need to shift the positive 6 to the other side of the inequality. We get negative 8x greater than or equal to 20 minus 6, which is negative 8x greater than or equal to 14. Now, negative 8x divided by negative 8, 14 divided by negative 8 will change the direction of the inequality to less than or equal to. So finally, I'm going to get x less than or equal to negative 1.75. In the next question, we shift positive 2 to the other side. So, I get 5p greater than 12 minus 2, which is 5p greater than 10. 5p divided by 5 greater than 10 divided by 5, which is p greater than 2. In our next question, we shift the positive 7 to the other side of the inequality, and so we get x over 3 greater than 9 minus 7. That gives me x over 3 greater than 2. Now that we have in a denominator 3, we multiply each side of the inequality with the number 3. So finally I get x greater than 6. In the next question, we divide each side of the inequality by the number 22. Which simplifies to x minus 4 less than 4. We need to shift negative 4 to the other side, and we have x less than 4 plus 4, that is x less than 8. In the next question, in denominator there is a number 4, and to remove that number 4, we multiply each side of the inequality by 4. So I get k plus 6 greater than 9 times 4, that is 36. Shift the positive 6 to the other side, and I get k greater than 36 minus 6. So my final answer would be k greater than 30. In this question, we have to keep all the m terms, or the terms with the variable m, on one side of the inequality, and the numbers or constants on the other side of the inequality. So we take the negative 12 to the other side and positive 15m to the left side. So I get 10m minus 15m is less than 80 plus 12, which is negative 5m less than 92. We divide each side with the number negative 5. Since we divide with the negative number, we need to reverse the direction of the inequality. So finally, I get m greater than 18, or negative 18, 2 over 5. In the next question, we are going to expand the brackets, and so we get 3h minus 12 is greater than 5h minus 50. We will keep the negative 12 on the other side and 5h on the left side. So this gives me 3h minus 5h greater than negative 50 plus 12, which is now negative 2h greater than negative 38 will divide both sides of the inequality with the negative number 2, and so the direction of the inequality will reverse, and then we get h less than 19. Here in this question, I have a fraction 1 by 2. So the denominator is 2. I will multiply each side with the number 2, which will give me x plus 6 less than or equal to 14. We shift the positive 6 to the other side and get x less than or equal to 14 minus 6. So finally, x less than or equal to 8. In this question, we shift positive 1 by 3 to the other side of the inequality, and we get m over 2 less than 2 minus 1 by 3, which is m over 2 less than 5 over 3. Here in the denominator I have a 2, and so I multiply each side with the number 2. I get m less than 10 over 3, which is m less than 3 1 over 3. In the next question, once again, we shift the negative 9 to the other side of the inequality, and so we get 3k minus 7 over 2 greater than 20 plus 9. 3k minus 7 over 2 greater than 29. 2 in the denominator, so we multiply each side with the number 2, and so 3k minus 7 is greater than 58. Shift the negative 7 to the other side, so 3k greater than 58 plus 7, which is 3k greater than 65. k is greater than 65 over 3, and finally we can say k is greater than 21 2 over 3. In the next question, we have 3 as the denominator, so we are going to multiply each term with the number 3, and so we see this becomes 6y minus 2y minus 1 greater than 12 times 3, 36. Take the negative 1 to the other side, and now it becomes 4y greater than 36 plus 1, 4y greater than 37, 4y over 4, 37 over 4, sign remains the same, and we get y greater than 9, 1 over 4. In this question, we need to expand the brackets. So 5 need to be multiplied with both the terms 2x and minus 3. Similarly, negative 2 need to be multiplied with 2x and also with positive 3. 8 multiplied to x and 8 multiplied to positive 1, which gives me 10x minus 15 minus 4x minus 6 greater than or equal to 8x plus 8. Bringing all the x on one side and the constants on the other side, like we get 10x minus 4x minus 8x greater than or equal to 8 plus 6 plus 15, which gives me negative 2x greater than or equal to 29. So negative 2x over negative 2 will be less than or equal to 29 over negative 2. So the final answer for this question would be x less than or equal to negative 14.5. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching.